peace of heart. But I can only find a sluggish pain as one by one the somber days depart, presenting many a toy and useless game. Sweet friend, my longing, wheresoe'er thou art, oh come at the length out of thine ambush start. The light on field and hill begins to wane. Oh dreaming fool, I said, have done, have done. How should a miracle be wrought for thee, when law joy came like verdure to a tree, that long time stretching wintry arms along